Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites and then act. Inspect the Etherwarp Conduit for hairline cracks and white ports. This prevents leaks once pressurized. Once done, set the controller to 12V hold and dial flow to 1/2 unit so the warp field stabilizes slowly. Next, you attach the input manifold to the primary inlet and tighten clamps to 3 torque clicks. These steps lock alignment and ensure the first feed is steady while preventing coupling faults. You continue by aligning the field and priming the channel. Engage the phase rotator in 15 degrees increments, pausing to watch the resonance gauge because overshoot destabilizes the conduit. Then prime the channel with a 30% inert carrier until pressure readings plateau, which conditions the interior surface for smooth warp transmission. Make sure to align the phase fins using the panel's 2-step micro-adjust so vanes sit flush. This reduces turbulence and ensures predictable conduit behavior. You finish the job by sealing and validating operation. Apply the final sealant bead along seams and cure for 2 minutes under the lamp so the bond holds under thermal stress. Once cured, run a 60-second continuity and throughput test at 18V and confirm the panel shows green. This verifies both electrical and flow integrity. If an alarm trips, isolate the affected section, cycle power once, and recheck gauges. This quick reset clears transient faults in most cases.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.